Now, there are actually a lot of options when it comes to using a code editor to develop Python applications, and my preference is PyCharm because it's very simple to use and it has full support for Python. You might have also heard of Visual Studio Code, which is also 100% free, and that has a lot of support for Python as well, but it's actually built for pretty much any kind of editing. It's a code editor, while PyCharm is a dedicated Python IDE. So in this course, I'm going to be using PyCharm, and if you want to easily follow along, I recommend you download PyCharm as well. Otherwise, everything we're creating can be written in Visual Studio Code or literally any other editor. Python does not really change based on where you are creating the code. It's just for the tools that I'm using PyCharm. But if you tap on download on this website, you're going to have a community and a professional edition. And of course, since we are learning Python, we're going to tap on the community edition, which is for pure Python development. Then you can select whatever kind of download file you want. I'm on Mac, so I get the .dmg for either Apple Intel or for Apple Silicon. And if you're on Windows, this will look slightly different. Or actually, there's a Windows tab here. It's going to look like that. And as soon as you open PyCharm, chances are your window is going to be slightly different because you don't have all these projects. But what you will have is a section that says New Project. So tap on that. And inside here, name your first project whatever you want. It can even be called first_project. And what you want to have selected is this new environment using the virtual environment. And something else you really want to make sure you have is the Python version that you are using. So here I have user local bin Python 3.11 selected, and that's the version I'll be using. You can also switch between Python versions. I also have 3.7 installed and 3.9 installed, but that doesn't matter in this case. So make sure you have Python 3.11, and just for fun, you can tap on create a main.py welcome script. And if you tap on create, it's going to create your very first project with a welcome script. And if you tap on run, it's going to print hi PyCharm in the console, which is quite cool and tells you that your project setup is working.